People keep asking how I made the backgrounds for this visual novel, so here's exactly how. For the backgrounds, I kept it really simple. I just used PixelLab's Create Image MXL tool. That tool lets you go up to 400 by 400, or the equivalent in other aspect ratios. So for this, I set the canvas to 512 by 288. From there, it was all about the prompt. I went with something simple, a minimalist therapy room with a sofa and a single chair, calm lighting, and a quiet, introspective atmosphere. But remember, each word in your prompt matters, so play around with removing or adding more descriptions, colors, etc. As you can see, I'm using the side-scroller camera view, and you can play around with the details, shading, and outline settings to see what fits best to your project. That was alright, but I want to try and change the prompt a bit. Let's add a floor lamp and a rug in the middle, just to make it a bit more interesting. Again, we can switch up the settings just a bit and see what else we can get with this prompt. So I'm gonna do detailed shading and selective outline. And yeah, you can always get more creative by describing a certain style or color, but now let's get into another background. For the playground, I played around more with the prompting. It took me a while to get to where I wanted, but again, it's all about good prompting and having the idea in your mind. If you're just randomly prompting stuff, you might never get exactly what you want, because you don't know what you want. And of course, we can't move on without changing the settings a bit, just to see what else it offers. Now let's remove some parts of the prompt, like the pastel colors and the simple shapes. And look at the difference. And one more, just in case. And I got one more tip for you guys. As you can see here, I'm prompting something really simple, a circus background, empty, and you can see the result from such a simple prompt. The tip is, don't be afraid to ask LLMs for help. Here I simply asked Gemini to give me a prompt for a image of a circus scene, empty, for a visual novel. And it gave me not only one, but 3 different prompts I could try. So I tried the second one first, and it was pretty good. But then I took the first one, and that one was the money shot. So yeah, feel free to ask your LLM of choice to help you out with prompts and steer it exactly where you want it. If you enjoyed this, check it out at pixellab.ai.